All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and caulk this up right now. And as you can see down here, so like these are the kind of seams we're gonna be messing with. So there's a couple of these, seams where the aluminum, I guess, has overlapped that we're gonna wanna seal. And then we're also gonna wanna seal underneath the, plastic topping here that kind of overlaps the aluminum liner. So we're gonna seal that just in case, like obviously if you get in the ice bath and the ice, or the water rises or whatnot, it doesn't go up under the plastic and into the freezer and then ruins this freezer, because these things are not cheap, obviously. So you wanna make sure that you do it right so you get the longevity out of this that you need. So you'll want to literally caulk everything. And then again, I know I keep touching on it, but literally the plug is a huge importance. So we're definitely gonna make sure that we caulk that. But anything that is a seam or anything that you feel like water can get in or through, you're gonna wanna caulk. And then after that, just remember that you're gonna wanna let this set and, obviously dry and settle long enough that you're not putting the water in and swiping out the caulk. So after we caulk this up today, we're gonna let this sit for a while, and then obviously we'll do our second part of the series. But like I said, I just wanna show you guys kind of what to look for. You wanna be super detailed in this because obviously, water can get in and out of everything. So you wanna make sure that all these seals are super tight.